Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, we're showing you how to organize project notes using NotebookLM sources. Alright, so just open up your active project. I'll just create a new one. To build a clean foundation, navigate entirely to the File Apps column labeled Sources. Right here, do not just upload polished reports. You can dump in your raw meeting minutes, scratchpad memos, client emails, and text export files. NotebookLM reads across varied formats concurrently. Once your files pass, you can use the individual selection checkboxes next to your source rows to isolate specific topics. For example, if you are planning an upcoming sprint, uncheck your long-term roadmap files and only keep your current weekly sync notes active to tightly bound the AI's data retrieval window. Okay, and now let's talk about the studio as well. So this section serves as your production desktop for saving, pinning, and clustering high-value project insights. So to convert a massive wall of messy conversation logs into polished management summaries, you can left-click on the Add Notes, right over here, button, and this creates a clean, blank digital index card directly in your tracking panel. You can now prompt the chat engine to filter out noise, extract explicit timeline blocks, or build target action item checklists. Then your scattered, unorganized project folders will be fully grouped, parsed, and converted into highly actionable operational milestones. Just don't forget to use the interface just like I said. Just upload files here and manage them here. This is your main window chat, and you can also add notes and also use AI for, taking notes. Enjoy as always. See you soon, guys.